I wanted to share a story with you about a business leader who came to me for coaching. He started heading his complete company and he was doing really well and everything. What happened was he was somebody who couldn't take any risks. The team used to tell him what needs to be done. His boss also used to tell him what needs to be done. But somehow, he used to stop things in the last minute. There was some sort of fear for him. So when he came to me, what we thought was that it was not just the fear about taking a decision now. It all started in his childhood. When he was punished for anything that he did, when he was, shouted at, when he did something wrong. That fear of punishment became so ingrained in him, he hesitates to take a step into an unknown zone. He doesn't know what the outcome is going to be, how it's going to be received, the risks that are involved. So as much as the company told him that it's all calculated risk and everything, but something within him just held him back. So something that we started off as some sort of a coping mechanism is so deeply ingrained that it actually affects us in our day-to-day lives. So through our coaching, we actually sat down. We got to the level in his childhood where, he had to understand where that fear actually emerged from. And once we solved it, I think today he's actually doing really well because today he knows that taking a risk need not be associated with being punished.